Are you confused about how to use Ho'oponopono for any problem in your life? And you are like, how do I do it for money, then for career, then for relationship, and for the everyday problems that keep coming your way? So I was at the same place few years ago when I started practicing Ho'oponopono. Then after reading a lot of books and studying with a lot of mentors, I realized that there is one method which is like a three-step process and can be used for any problem in the world. And this is the exact thing which Dr. Hewlin was doing while he was cleaning for those mental patients in that hospital. And you don't have to do it for such something so huge, but what that method is and what kind of great results it has brought in my life, I'll be sharing you towards the end of the video. So let's first think about what that method is. Let's talk about that. And before I do that, I just want to make sure that you understand that this is the best, most effective method which can be used anywhere for any problem at any place and any number of times, and it is the easiest one also. So even though it looks like very easy and simple, do not undermine its power. It is the most beautiful thing that I personally use, and more than any cleaning method that I do, I love this one. So what that is, the first step is think about the problem that you have. So this is very normal and natural to every one of us. We are always thinking about problems. Step number 2 is take a moment and feel what you are feeling in that moment. Like, try to just be with yourself and figure out how you are feeling in that moment because of the problem. For example, you have fought with someone. So what you're feeling angry, betrayed, upset, unloved, disrespected, whatever you're feeling. Then step number 3 is, this is the magic, people. Just take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, and to yourself say your name. I will say my name, dear Beshu. And whatever you are feeling, what we figured out in step 2, even without saying those feelings out loud, just feel those feelings and say your name and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So, for what we are saying, we are just saying it for the feelings that we were feeling in that moment, or we are feeling. And we are not saying the feelings out loudly every time we are saying the statements. No, we are just feeling them and we are just saying our own name and saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. How many times do we do that? As many times as it feels natural to you. So for me, 108 times is very natural now, but when I started with 5 times. So if that feels natural to you, do that. Make your own number, because it should not look like a task to you. Otherwise it just deprives you of all the calmness that is going to come with this technique. Now, how this works is a matter of another video, I would say, or a book completely. But right now, just figure out these 3 steps and follow these 3 steps. And the result which I personally got is that when there was a procedure which was stuck with a bank for almost 3 months, and I was doing simple Ho'oponopono, nothing was working out. Then I sat with myself and figured out what I was feeling. So I was feeling betrayed, helpless, cheated, and also angry and frustrated with the whole procedure and stuck. And when I started cleaning this way, I said, dear Veshu, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, for whatever I was feeling, without even saying those feelings loudly. Things moved, and in just a day, the whole process was completed, it was closed, and the people who were not very supportive earlier were themselves supporting us. So it worked like magic there. And even for my relationships, whenever I feel there is lot of blockages between me and the person for whom I'm doing Ho'oponopono, I do it for a lot of people. Something shifts, and the energy gets cleared, and whatever I was judging them for earlier, the judgment goes away. So obviously, and the relationship becomes stronger. So you can also do it for any problem that you have. Right now in the comment section, tell me for which problem you are going to apply this, and I will be sharing one beautiful example or result that I personally got in career, which initially just was shocking for me, but then now I know that it was the most beautiful thing that happened. So if you are also getting shocking results with Ho'oponopono, you are not alone. I was also there. Just type in this video what you are going to apply it, and maybe in the next video I'll share with you the shocking results with Ho'oponopono. And while you're watching this video, I am doing for you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, not only for you but for myself as well.